Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Sony ULT FIELD 5 speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily manage the standby mode. So as you can see here we have the Bluetooth standby. Let's tap on that in the Sony SoundConnect application main menu, and here as you can see it redirects us to the system settings, auto standby and Bluetooth standby. Here we can enable and disable with the switch Bluetooth standby mode. And apart from that, here we have the auto standby. Let's tap on that, and as you can see, if the audio device is not in use for approximately 15 minutes, the device turns off automatically. Turning this function off will increase power consumption. We can either disable and enable our option using this switch. Goodbye!